Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dipasha Sharma. In Nigeria, flood affects over 4 lakh people. United Nations September 17 UNI priority needs for the more than 4 lakh victims of northeast Nigeria flooding are food assistance, potable water, hygiene, sanitation and shelter, UN humanitarians said on Monday. The UN Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs said a joint mission of the heads of UN agencies, non-governmental organizations and the Nigeria Red Cross Society visited Maiduguri over the weekend and met with affected people and government officials. Many people they met needed aid before the floods, having been displaced multiple times by conflict and insecurity. Maiduguri is the capital and the largest city in Borno state. The office said there is an urgent need for protection activities to reduce the risk of gender-based violence and to protect unaccompanied children. OCHA said local authorities reported that 3 lakh temporarily displaced people have been registered since the September 9 collapse of the Alua Dam. Access remains restricted as 2 significant bridges in Maiduguri, among other critical infrastructure, have partially collapsed. In support of government efforts, the United Nations and humanitarian partners are responding by providing hot meals, facilitating food airdrops in hard-to-reach areas cut off by floodwaters and tucking water, the office said. The world body is also involved in joint assessment with the government to continue to adapt their response as needed. OCHA said the UN humanitarian coordinator in Nigeria, Mohammed Malik Fall, announced a $6 million allocation from the Nigeria Humanitarian Fund and that it is also working closely with donors to secure additional funds. More rescuers and funding are needed not only during this emergency life-saving phase but also in the recovery period when people who have lost everything will need sustained support to get back on their feet, the office said. The UCHA said flooding across Nigeria had damaged more than 125,000 hectares of farmland just before the harvest when 32 million people face severe food insecurity. Crop losses are alarming given the already skyrocketing prices of staple foods such as maize, beans, sorghum and millet, which have more than tripled over the past year due to record flood inflation. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.